Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Ayala Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City to show you this 3-story modern tropical home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation, itong property facing south. And we have this mahogany tree in front of the property. It adds some homey vibe, no, in this house. And on either side, we have the entrance para sa 5-vehicle carport. One on this side and on the other side, 4 automated gates na rin. And in the middle, your pedestrian gate. Pasok tayo. So upon entering from your pedestrian gate, you will be welcomed by this water feature coming from the 3rd level up to here dito sa inyong ground level. You have this waterfall design na bumababa dito sa natural sandstone facade. Napaka-elegante and it gives you an positive vibe while entering in this property. Ang ganda, no? And ganoon din with the temperature in this space, mas malamig because of the water. On this side, ito yung inyong 1-vehicle carport with the gate. And on this side of the property, you have the setback of 1 to 2 meters. You also have this pathway going directly to the pool and lanay. So if you have visitors, pwede silang dumaan dito directly. For the flooring on this side, granito tiles para non-skid sa mga sasakyan. Homogeneous tiles, pocket garden, and the area for the 4-vehicle carport. Automated gates on this side, dito sa inyong 4-vehicle carport. Circuit breakers para dito sa inyong property. And on this side, the room for your male staff quarters or your driver. And additional room para sa inyong female staff. The laundry area. An access going to the auxiliary kitchen. And the storage tank and the pressurized tank for the whole property. And up to the back of the property, ito naman yung setback nyo again around 1 to 2 meters with your pocket garden. So, ganda nung natural light sa loob ng bahay. Ganon din with the cross ventilation coming from your huge sliding doors and your sliding windows. Balik tayo. And going back here sa harapan ng property, covered porch by a canopy. And in front of your main door for the flooring, travertine, matte texture. Grandeur vibe, talaga yung dating, no? Yung very elegant. It complements well with your solid na wood door, with your modern door lock. And ang dali din gamitin because of the pivot hinge. Pasok tayo. And welcome to your home. And from your main door on the left side, we have this desk or your console table na para sa mga ornaments ninyo or mga gamit ninyo before going in dito sa property or going out. Dito sa right side, ito yung inyong first bedroom dito sa ground level. So maybe your guest room, the location of your bed frame, on either side, electric outlets for your side table and lamp. Sliding door with an access going directly or with a view ng inyong swimming pool with water feature. So this is a perfect room for your guests. Cove ceiling design and mapapansin nyo rin ang taas ng ceiling with provision for a hanging light or chandelier. Huge split type AC. And the ensuite toilet and bath. Shower space with enclosure. Ang ganda nung kanilang nilagay na tiles for the cladding. Total brand para dito sa inyong water closet and under-mounted sink. And sa likuran nitong door, your floor-to-ceiling cabinets for your storage. And before tayo pumunta dito, no, the powder room dito sa ground level. And one more feature of this house, syempre, itong inyong elevator up to the 3rd level. So very convenient to use, especially with your elderlies or kids. Few steps, ito na yung inyong receiving or living space with double height ceiling and wood panels installed dun sa inyong ceiling, and it adds some warm and cozy vibe, no, in this space. On my right side, your marble accent wall with cove light. Ganda, no? So it adds some texture to the space. And speaking of texture for the flooring, again, travertine engineered to the whole ground level. So in this space, kasya yung mga big furnitures nyo, like your couch or center table. Ang ganda in this space, very flexible sa mga magiging preference nyo in terms of interior design. Your floor-mounted AC in this space. Again, lots of natural light and ganda ng cross ventilation in this house coming from your fixed window dun sa 2nd level, and itong inyong mga huge sliding doors located in front of the swimming pool. Few steps, your dining area, and again, wood panels installed for the ceiling. Very inviting yung space, no? And kung mapapansin mo, in every corner of this house, kapag walang wood materials installed for the flooring, nasa ceiling. So it improves the space, additional texture, natural contrast, and very inviting yung vibe in every location of this house. Napakaganda. Very balanced yung, yung color combination. By the way, itong inyong hanging lights dito sa inyong dining area, up to 12-seater kasya in this space. Again, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window. Tempered glass yung kanilang ginamit with high-grade aluminum and PVC. And your huge sliding door with an access going here sa inyong lanay area. So kunyari man into alfresco dining kayo, no? Perfect spot for your dining table. Ang ganda rin ng space na to, no? Ang luwag din for an 8-seater. Again, for the ceiling with your ceiling fan, ang ganda nung cross ventilation in this space. And of course, covered kayo by outside elements. And again, your swimming pool with water feature. And ito yung backyard garden dito sa likuran ng property. Again, ang ganda ng cross ventilation because of the setback na sunod talaga in this house. Your rockscape on this side of the property. And by the way, for the material used dito sa kanilang mga fixed window and sliding doors, PVC or UPVC yung ginamit nila for the frame and tempered glass. And what I like sa mga features ng kanilang sliding doors, itong kanilang accordion screen. Additional security to the property. Pwede mo rin to i-lock if kunyari man nakalimutan mo nakabukas yung sliding door but nakalock naman tong inyong screen. Additional security in this property. But of course, alam nyo naman yung Ayala Alabang Village, very tight yung security rito with 24/7 stationary and moving guards. And by the way, your floor-mounted AC dito sa inyong dining and your main kitchen. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. Huge island counter. You can also utilize this space as your breakfast room kasi yung up to 4 kitchen stools nyo. So a quick work area or informal dining pwede in that space. For the material use, quartz finish for our countertops. It also comes with your drawers, soft close drawers, and shelves for your huge equipments, kung ano man yung mga ginagamit nyo sa inyong kitchen. A hanging lights to emphasize this space. And dito naman sa likuran, yung L-shaped counter, again, quartz finish. We also have these integrated appliances. Itong inyong induction cooktop together with your range hood, your oven and microwave. And on the other side, your 4-door refrigerator. Under-mounted stainless sink. Very neat yung design nila. Base and hanging cabinets for your canned goods or dry goods. So lots of storage space. And on this side, additional shelves maybe for your personal appliances. Meron na rin kayo ditong wine chiller. See-through cabinets with LED lights. Ganda, no? So these are modular cabinet. And by the way, meron na rin nakalagay na split type AC in this space. And lots of natural light coming from your huge sliding window. So kunyari man, you have your guests with you, lots of visitors, heavy cooking. So this is the perfect spot. And by the way, your walk-in pantry. So in this space, additional L-shaped counter, under-mounted sink, base cabinets, your 5 gas burners together with your oven and your range hood. Additional space, maybe for your chest type freezer. And itong inyong cabinet para sa inyong mga circuit breakers. So in case of emergency, madaling shutdown yung mga appliances ninyo. Analog door going here sa side ng property. So going to your laundry. And by the way, meron na rin nakalagay na LPG line for this property. So very safe yan. Additional counter for your laundry and additional provision para sa magiging cooktop para sa inyong mga staff kung magluluto sila in this space. And the area for your laundry. So after the laundry, ito yung magiging drying area ninyo. Very private yung lugar. Ganda rin. So we're done here dito sa inyong ground level. Akyat tayo sa itaas. And by the way, again, ang ganda ng kanilang travertine flooring. It complements well with the wood panels installed for our ceiling. For the stairs, around 1 meter, no, malapad yung ating stairs with solid Nara wood para sa inyong staircase. Ganun din with the riser with step lights installed on this side and your solid wood handrails. Natural light coming from your window. Here's the second floor, 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. Of course, your elevator. So let's start with this bedroom. This is your bedroom 2. And you can also notice for the flooring, solid Nara wood planks for the whole second floor. Ang ganda, no? Hindi lang yan aesthetically pleasing, but it also improves your sleep quality at night. Okay, so ito yung location nyo for your bed frame. Actually, very flexible yung either side of this room. Actually, sa lahat ng room, ganun yan. Ano? Ang dami nilang electric outlets. So, depende na lang yan sa feng shui or simply your preferences kung saan nyo gustong ilagay yung inyong bed mattress. And by the way, your panoramic fixed window and awning window for your natural light and proper ventilation. And if you want maglagay kayo ng curtains, pwede because pwede nyo itago yung curtain rods nyo dito sa inyong drop cove ceiling design. Huge split type AC and your ensuite toilet and bath. Shower space with enclosure, water closet, and your under-mounted sink. You also have your multi-point heaters installed and your cabinet for your storage. Ayan. So, those are floor to ceiling. Lots of storage space. So, going back here, mapapansin nyo rin, no, napakaluwag ng inyong hallway going to your master bedroom. Pwede pa tong space na ito pwede nyo i-convert into a study area. Well, depende sa inyo yan. This is your bedroom 3. Parallel ito dun sa inyong guest room sa ibaba, yung bedroom 1. Again, this is the location of your bed frame. Huge floor to ceiling window. Medyo square yung layout nitong room na ito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda laruin ng space. Split type AC. Provision for your hanging lights. and your media wall. Your ensuite, toilet and bath. So, lahat din ng toilet and bath nila, meron na rin nakalagay ng multi-point heaters. So, talagang mga personal na furnitures and gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo. In this area, the indoor balcony with a commanding view dito sa inyong receiving, living, and dining area. Again, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window and napaka-elegante tignan with your chandelier in this space. Okay, so this is your bedroom 4. Ganda ng mga sizes ng kanilang bedrooms dito sa second floor. The location of your bed frame. Pwede pa kayong maglagay ng inyong couch and center table in front of your bed or on the other side. Your shower space with enclosure. Water closet, your lavatory, and your cabin. And lahat din ng rooms may split type AC. Okay, so going back here dito sa inyong spacious hallway, your cabinet, at the same time, pwede nyo paglagay ng inyong mga monitor, for example, your CCTV camera or maybe some ornaments or family photos or even trophies kasi in that space pwede, no? So these are base cabinets. Pwede rin yung inyong additional equipments or mga gamit ninyo or even as your mga ano to? Curtains, no? Mga linens niyo pwede din in that cabinet. So ito yung inyong bedroom 5 or the master bedroom. The location of your bed frame, dito medyo malilito ka kung saan mo ilalagay yung inyong bed. But as according to the plan, no, nandito yung inyong side table. You have your ceiling. Ito yung inyong bed frame. On either side, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong couch, center table, or kung ano man yung gusto nyong ilagay. Your cove ceiling design and your split type AC. You have this huge window facing dito sa inyong swimming pool. And on this side, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong vanity area. Well, again, depende sa inyo yan. Your walk-in closet. Lots of storage space. On either side, floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage, drawers, shelves for your shoes or bags, see-through cabinets with cove light. Very elegant and very sturdy yung mga nilagay nila dito, no? Your vanity area, ayan, may vanity area na kayo. By the way, your split-type AC, again, for your bags or shoes. Your water closet, the shower space, your bathtub, and your spacious counter for your dual sink and your vanity cabinets. Pwede nyo rin i-enclose itong area na ito. Ayan. So, yung moisture hindi pumunta rito, no, during your half bath. Okay, so let's go up dun sa inyong third floor. Again, same material installed para sa inyong stairs and riser. Here's a third floor, additional 2 bedrooms, so total of 7 bedrooms in this house. Well, depende sa inyo if you want to convert your bedroom 6 as your theater room. Well, depende sa inyo, but let's see. So, bedroom 6 and 7. 6, 7. Ito yung mga famous meme sa mga kids. Kidding aside, the location maybe para sa inyong bed frame or kung hindi man gagawin yung theater room, ito yung magiging area ninyo para sa inyong projector. So you have that panoramic window, additional space. But if you gagawin nyo as your bedroom 6, you have your split type AC and your his or her toilet and bath. So connected ito dito sa inyong bedroom 7. Your shower space with enclosure, water closet, and your lavatory. And the storage space. So this is your bedroom 7. By the way, in every corner of this house, you also have your CCTV camera. So for the bedroom 7, Split type AC, well, again, depende sa inyo kung saan nyo gustong ilagay yung inyong magiging bed frame in this room. So, very flexible yung every space of this house. Again, your his or her toilet and bath or your Jack and Jill. And going here dito sa inyong common area, this entire space, pwede as your family area. You also have this room for your storage. And again, dito sa third floor, solid narrow wood planks for the flooring. We have your exposed beam finish for our ceiling. Ang ganda, no? Parang country style. So in this space, pwede yung huge couch or kung ano man yung gusto nyo ilagay. Maybe your billiard table or your dining set. Depende sa inyo yan. Floor-mounted AC and your kitchenette area para, of course, mas madali mag-serve ng food. So you have your quartz counter, base cabinets for your storage and additional shelves, maybe for your wines. And additional feature for this property, your gym room, ayan, rubberized flooring, ganda, no? Your sauna bath, yan, ganda. Very, for the health benefits. Window for natural light. And the toilet and bath. So we have your built-in shelves and cabinet in this space. Again, your split type AC and your mirror, no? Ganda for your OOTD or habang nag-gym kayo. And it has an access going here sa inyong third floor balcony with your jacuzzi. Ayan. Covered na rin kayo by a canopy, metal frame, and tempered glass. And itong inyong frameless tempered glass as your handrails with the view ng inyong swimming pool. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern tropical home located here in Ayala, Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.